Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a video on me using a shampoo from Shea Moisture, and you're going to see me wash my hair using this as well as the results. But before we do that, join the Curl Factory family, follow me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and follow me on Facebook as well. In today's video, I wash my hair using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. It contains mafura as well as baobab oils, and it also promises to cleanse and restore extremely dry and brittle hair. This is Shea Moisture, so there's no sulfates, parabens, phthalates, no animal testing, no petroleum, no mineral oil. It's sulfate free and it's also color safe as well. At the back of this product, it says that it repairs by reducing breakage on heat-styled hair up to 76% when used with our Hydrate and Repair conditioner. It's sulfate-free shampoo and it works alone to gently cleanse your hair and strengthen strands from root to tip when used with the conditioner. I just washed my hair with this. I like the consistency. I like the smell. Very soft on your hair. I did have to use quite a bit because it is a bit thin, but it did a very good job on cleansing my hair. I rinsed it out. My hair didn't feel stripped. It didn't feel dry. And I also like the size of this as well. You can use this, for more than a month. So guys, a very quick video of me using the shampoo from Shea Moisture. I hope you enjoyed it. I liked the results. My hair was not dry. It wasn't stripped. I was actually very pleasantly surprised. From this particular line, I've only tried the treatment. I think it's a protein one or protein and moisture one. I wrote a blog on it. I've never done a video on it. It's always so hard to find in stores because so many ladies absolutely love it. If I could get my hands on that little protein treatment, that would be amazing. I'd definitely do a video and show you guys. But as I said, it's so hard to find. So I picked this up just to share with you guys, and I'm very happy. Thanks guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick video using a shampoo from Shea Moisture. As always, subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you again. Take care.